Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for science for standard 7, unit number 1, that is nutrition in plants. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with question number 1, that is MCQs. First one, from what do plants prepare their own food during the process of photosynthesis? It's option number C, carbon dioxide and water. Second, which component is not required by plant in its photosynthesis process? It's option number D, oxygen. Third, which of the following is an insectivorous plant? It's option number B, pitcher plant. Fourth, which of the following plants shows parasitic nutrition? It's option number C, cascata. Fifth, which of the following plants obtains its nutrition from dead matter? It's option number A, fungus. Sixth, which of the following plants have chlorophyll? It's option number B, alga. Seventh, between which two organisms do symbiotic relation occur in lichen? It's option number A, alga and fungus. Eighth, what are the end products of photosynthesis process taking place in plants? It's option number C, carbohydrates and oxygen. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. First one, green plants are called autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. Second, the food synthesized by the plants is stored as starch. Third, in photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the pigment called chlorophyll. Fourth, during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen gas. Fifth, leaf is called the kitchen of plant. Sixth, the leaves of plant have green colored pigment called chlorophyll. Seventh, Venus flytrap is an insectivorous plant. Eighth, the function of absorption of water and minerals from soil in plants is performed by roots. Ninth, an organism lives as symbiosis between alga and fungus called lichen. 10th, iodine solution is used to check the presence of starch in leaf. Now question number 3, answer the following questions in one word. First one, what are the organisms which prepare their own food called? So the answer is autotroph. Second, what are small pores occurring on the surface of leaves of plant called? It is stomata. Third, which are the component atoms of carbohydrates? So the answer is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Fourth, besides carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, which other atom occurs in protein? So the answer is nitrogen. Fifth, what is the mode of nutrition in mushroom? It is saprophytic. Sixth, of what is cascata an example? It is parasitic. Seventh, give one example of insectivorous plant. So the answer is pitcher plant. Eighth, give the name of bacteria that perform nitrogen fixation in the roots of leguminous plants. It is rhizobium. Ninth, which fungus is used in food? It is mushroom. And 10th, mention the name of diseases caused by fungi in human. So the answer is ringworm, psoriasis and eczema. Now question number 4, true or false? First one, carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. It is false. Second, plants those synthesize their food are called saprotrophs. It is false. Third, the product of photosynthesis is not a protein. It is true. Fourth, solar energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. It is true. Fifth, guard cells occur around the stomata of leaf. It is true. Sixth, root is known as kitchen of plant. It is false. Seventh, like animals, plants are heterotrophic. It is false. Eighth, mushroom is a symbiotic organism. It is false. Ninth, Cascata is a saprophytic plant, it is false. And 10th, Rhizobium bacteria occur in the leaves of leguminous plants, it is false. Now question number 5, answer the following questions in one sentence. First one, which substances are required for the process of photosynthesis? So the answer is chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water are required for the process of photosynthesis. Second, what is starch? Starch is one kind of carbohydrate. Third, which solution is used for the test of starch? Iodine solution is used for the test of starch. Fourth, what is the function of chlorophyll, that is green pigment? The function of chlorophyll is to absorb solar energy from sunlight for photosynthesis. Fifth, what is cascata? Cascata is a leafless parasitic plant with yellow stem growing on any host tree. Sixth, what is called an insectivorous plant? A plant fulfilling its nitrogen containing food deficiency by capturing and digesting insect is called an insectivorous plant. Seventh, give two examples of parasitic plant. Cascata and Rafflesia are examples of parasitic plant. 8. Where are the fungi found? The fungi are found on stale roti, stale bread, pickles, leather articles, moist clothes, etc. 9th, write chemical equation of the process of photosynthesis. So I have written the equation, that is carbon dioxide plus water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrates and oxygen. 10th one, pitcher plant is green and performs photosynthesis. Then why does it feed on insects? Pitcher plant grows in nitrogen deficit soil, so it does not get enough nitrogen from soil. To fulfill nitrogen requirement, it feeds on insects. Now question number 6, define. First one, nutrition. A process of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body is called nutrition. Second, photosynthesis. A process by which green plant utilize carbon dioxide and water to synthesize their own food in presence of sunlight and with the help of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Third, autotrophic nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which organisms synthesize their food by themselves from simple substances is called autotrophic nutrition. Fourth, parasitic organism. An organism that depend on living organisms for their nutrition is called parasitic organism. Fifth, saprotrophic plant. A plant that obtain nutrition from dead and decaying matter is called saprotrophic plant. Now question number 7. Answer the following questions in short. First one, why do organisms take food? Organisms take food for the following reasons. First one, to build their bodies. Second, for growth and development. Third, to repair damaged part of bodies. Fourth, to provide the energy to carry out life processes. And fifth, to maintain healthy and disease-free body. Second one, how would you test the presence of starch in leaves? To test the presence of starch in leaves, firstly, pluck one green leaf from a plant growing under sunlight. Keep it in boiling water for 5 to 6 minutes. Remove it from the boiling water and place it in a test tube containing enough alcohol. Place the test tube in boiling water for some time. The green color will be removed. Wash it with pure water. Put 1 to 2 drop of iodine solution on the leaf and check its color. Color of leaf turns blue or black. It indicates the presence of starch in the leaf. Third one, give a brief description of the process of synthesis of food in green plants. Green plants synthesize food in the form of carbohydrate with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. The equation for photosynthesis process is carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll gives carbohydrate and oxygen. Fourth one, explain this statement. Life is impossible on the earth in absence of photosynthesis. Green plants prepare food by photosynthesis and release oxygen gas. All animals on the earth, directly or indirectly, depend on green plants for their food requirement. Living organisms use oxygen for respiration, which is produced during the process of photosynthesis. Fifth one, how do plants synthesize protein? Plants synthesize carbohydrates during photosynthesis, but for protein synthesis, nitrogen is essential besides carbohydrates. Plant is unable to utilize free nitrogen from air, so soil bacteria and algae convert atmospheric nitrogen into its soluble form. Farmers add nitrogenous fertilizers in soil. Such soluble forms of nitrogen are absorbed by plant. Thus, protein synthesis occurs in plants through metabolism of carbohydrates and use of nitrogen. Sixth one, how do plants with red, brown or yellow leaves perform photosynthesis? Plants with red, brown or yellow leaves possess red, brown or yellow pigments respectively. The leaves other than green also have chlorophyll. The large amount of red, brown and other pigments mask the green color. So the part of the leaf which is ever non-green possesses chlorophyll. So photosynthesis takes place in a plant having red, brown or yellow leaves. Seventh one, how are fungi beneficial? Benefits of fungi are as follows. Yeast and mushroom are used in food. Certain fungi are used as a source of antibiotics, that is medicines. Penicillium fungus is used to obtain penicillin antibiotic. Fungi decompose dead matters. Eighth one, how are fungi harmful? Fungi spoil edible items such as pickles, bread, roti and make them non-edible. Some fungi cause diseases in plants, animals and humans. Fungi spoil leather, clothes and other articles in hot and humid weather. Ninth one, what is symbiotic relationship? Explain with an example. Two organisms live together and share shelter and nutrients. This is called symbiotic relationship. In this relationship, both organisms are beneficial to each other. For example, lichens show symbiotic relationship between chlorophyll containing partner alga and a fungi. Fungus provide shelter, water and minerals to alga. In return, the alga provides food which it prepares by photosynthesis. Now, question number 8. Explain giving scientific reasons. First one, alga are autotrophic plants. Algae possess green pigment chlorophyll. It helps algae to capture the energy of the sunlight. This energy is used to prepare food from carbon dioxide and water. Since it synthesizes own food through photosynthesis, algae are autotrophic plants. Second, Cascata is a parasitic plant. Cascata is a leafless plant with yellow colored stem. It is unable to perform photosynthesis due to absence of chlorophyll, so no food is synthesized by itself. Its yellow tubular structures twine around the stem and branches of a host tree. It absorbs ready-made food from the stem of a tree. Now, question number 9. Write 2 points of differences. So, the first difference is between autotrophic organisms and heterotrophic organisms. Autotrophic prepare their own food by themselves, while heterotrophic are unable to prepare their food. They depend on plants or other animals for their food. Autotrophic have green colored pigment chlorophyll, and heterotrophic do not have green colored pigment. Now, the second difference is between parasite and saprotroph. Parasite obtains its nutrition from host, a living organism, and saprotroph obtains its nutrition from dead and decaying matter. Cascata is a parasite plant and majority of fungi are saprotrophs. Now, the third difference is between algae and fungi. Algae are autotrophic while fungi are heterotrophic. Chlorophyll is present in algae and chlorophyll is absent in fungi. Now question number 10, that is match the following. There are two columns given in match the following. First and second I have already completed. You can check it out and complete in your workbook. Next is question number 11. Write a short note on. So the first topic is insectivorous plants. Some plants trap insects and digest them. The plants showing such mode of nutrition are called insectivorous plants. Pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, Drosera are insectivorous plants. Such plants may be green or of some other color. They prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Such plants do not get all the required nutrients from the soil in which they grow. So to fulfill such deficiency, they engulf insects. Example, pitcher plant. Second one is saprotrophic plants. Fungi have a different mode of nutrition. They secrete digestive juices on dead and decaying matter and convert them into a solution. They absorb the nutrients from such solution. Such mode of nutrition is called saprotrophic nutrition. A plant which takes in nutrients from dead and decaying matter is called saprotroph. Yeast, mucor, mushroom, etc. are called saprotrophic plants. Yeast is a unicellular fungi used to ferment the food. Yeast and mushroom are used in food. Mucor is harmful fungus. It is seen on stale bread and roti. It can be observed under microscope as thread-like structure in white or other colors. Now we'll see the activities. For that, first activity is to demonstrate that sunlight is inevitable for the process of photosynthesis. For that, apparatus and materials are 2 potted plants of same kind, black box, iodine solution. And the procedure is, take 2 potted plants of same kind, keep one in a black box and another in sunlight for 72 hours. Water both the plants regularly. After 3 to 4 days, pluck leaf from both plants. Perform iodine test for the presence of starch in both leaves. Observe. Now keep the pot which was earlier kept in dark in the sunlight for 3 to 4 days. Perform the same test again and observe. Now the observation. When drops of iodine solution are put on a leaf of a plant kept in sunlight, turns blue or black and it indicates the presence of starch, and vice versa for the other plant kept in the black box. Conclusion. Sunlight is inevitable for the process of photosynthesis. Second activity, to check the presence of fungi on a stale bread. For that we require the apparatus and materials as bread, microscope or magnifying glass and water. Procedure is, take a piece of bread and moisten it with water. Keep it in a moist warm place for 2 to 3 days or until fluffy patches appear on them. Observe the patches under a microscope or a magnifying glass. And the observation is, white, green or brown color cotton-like threads are seen on bread. Conclusion. Fungi grow on stale bread. So here we come to the end of chapter number 1, that is nutrition in plants. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.